Nail salons in Santa Clara County are now allowed to resume operations indoors. To protect customers and workers against COVID-19, the county has created a set of guidance and mandatory directives as to how salons should operate. This is how nail salons should expect to operate their business. Prior to opening, all businesses should submit their social distancing protocol at www.covid19prepared.org. Customer arrivals. Ensure customers know to call ahead of time to give your business time to prepare. All waiting rooms, reception areas, common areas, and lounges should be closed. Remove all chairs, amenities, and product samples in those areas. Customers should be informed to not arrive more than 5 minutes prior to their appointment. Remind them to bring their face covering. Set up a contactless check-in and payment system. Employees should also verbally screen customers for COVID-19 symptoms upon arrival to ensure that they have not experienced symptoms or had a positive test within the last 14 days. If they say yes, reschedule their appointment. Their appointment should be at least 14 days out. The business must also keep diligent records, which include the client's name, phone number, and email address, the date, time, and duration of the client's visit, the name and contact info of any worker who serviced the client. Workstations must be set up to maintain social distancing at all times. Use physical barriers or markers to ensure no one works, sits, or stands within 6 feet of any other person, except for the employee providing service. Post signage reminding clients to stay 6 feet away from people except the employee providing service, to wash their hands, or to use hand sanitizer. Employees will also be required to wear personal protective equipment, often referred to as PPE. Employers must obtain, provide at no cost to the employee, and require all workers to use the following PPE when conducting services. Face coverings. N95s are highly recommended for all personal care service workers. Eye protection, such as glasses, goggles, or a face shield. A disposable or washable smock or cape that is disposed of or laundered between clients. Disposable gloves when performing services for which gloves are needed. Also, ensure gloves are changed between clients. As a reminder, all customers and employees must wear face coverings at all times while in the facility. The business must also ensure proper sanitizing measures are taken. Workers must wash their hands immediately before and after services. Workers should also not use their cell phones while providing services. Regularly disinfect all high-touch areas and surfaces. Disinfect all furniture and equipment used to provide personal care services before and after each client receives services. Use disposable liners and discard after each use for furniture and equipment that cannot be cleaned. After each use, change out all items that can be cleaned and replace all items that can be discarded, except for the worker's eye protection. For more information on how to properly clean equipment, please visit the CDC's website. Facilities are also required to follow the following guidance. Nail care services must install barriers between clients and manicurists for manicure services, and wherever else feasible between the customer and employee. Windows and doors should be opened where possible. Whenever possible, move customer transactions and consultations outside. Consider the option of continuing to provide outdoor services. Dual services are not allowed since that requires close contact with more than one worker at a time. Nail care services must not permit clients to touch items in the nail polish display area and must not permit clients to test or otherwise handle nail polishes. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. This video is meant to be illustrative of the mandatory directives specific to your industry. You are required to read and follow the mandatory directives. For more information about businesses, please visit www.sccgov.org/coronavirus. My name is Betty Young, and I'm the Lead Public Information Officer for the County of Santa Clara. Thank you.